So hi everyone, this is PM Michael from ASUS. Many thanks to CNIS arranging this opportunity to us to introduce the product we co-op with Microsoft, which is Azure Percept. And before we talk about the product, here I would like to give you guys a quick view about our organization, which is ASUS IoT team. And I think you guys are not familiar with us because of we are just a 3 years old baby in ASUS. In terms of the manpower resources we allocated by the company, we are in the top 5 BUs in our company. And most of us are from the ASUS motherboard commercial team for more than 10 years experience. Therefore, we are very skilled on commercial business. And here I would like to give you a quick update about the important milestones we had. In 2018, with the growing up business, we officially spin off from motherboard team and create IoT team. In 2019, we got more support from the company to enlarge our organization, and we also launched our sub-brand ASUS IoT. And about the brand vision of Earth, of course, we are still follow the big central vision of the company, which is in search of incredible. And hopefully we can relay on the key concepts in the bottom we deliver to become a trusted service partner in IoT industry. About the products we provided, ASUS IoT team offer various edge components and the products for commercial or industrial usage. And we also understand the importance about the domain know-how in each vertical market. And I think that's our pleasure to have CNIS help to deliver and improve the vision. And then let's go back to the topic we are going to talk about today. The Edge AI solution we co-op with Microsoft team, Azure Percept. And before the product introduction, let's have a look at the market trend first. Why Edge AI? According to the published information from McKinsey Research, they estimated 70% of the deployed IoT devices will require AI. And compared to cloud AI computing solution, Edge AI solution has 3 benefits, which are the first, low latency, second, privacy, and the security. The last one, cost effective. So both Microsoft and the ASUS team agree that Edge AI will be the trend in future. And in Edge AI, and if Edge AI solution will be a trend, why there are less visible solutions in market? According to our experience, when customers generate an idea about Edge AI, there are only 20 to 30% of them will move the idea to be a POC, and less percentage of them could mass production lost POCs. But why? From our observation, first, we think the Edge AI requirements are various and fragmented, and the entry barriers is not low. And the second, at this stage, customers require lots of investment about engineers and the data scientists. The cost is also considerable, and we only found large enterprise customers can do that. The other small and the medium-sized customers might drop the idea after several discussions. And that's what we want to fix with the product to make the Edge AI POC faster with reasonable investment. And this is the product we deliver. There are 2 major parts of the product. The first one in the right on screen, the hardware devices with optimized software inside, And the second one, a whole new feature on Azure Cloud, the Azure Percept Studio. The Edge AI, it provides Edge AI management portal for the devices. With this solution, customer can easily realize their Edge AI concept in few days or even few hours. And physically, we have two products. The first one, Azure Percept DK, includes an HPC and a camera sensor for Vision AI. And the second one, the Azure Percept Audio. It's an extension peripheral to Azure Percept DK to enable the microphone feature for voice AI. With these devices, customer can leverage Microsoft Azure Percept function to quick set up and enable the vision and the voice AI at the edge. And that's all for my part. If there is no any other questions, I would like to introduce our software PM, Tony, to give us more by product demonstration.
Hello, everyone. Yes. Did you hear me? Okay. Okay, let me my slides. Okay, so can everyone see my slide?
Yes.
Oh,
yes, we
can
okay, see it.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Okay, I'm Tony, Azure IoT Software PM. So I will take a few minutes, give you a few examples about how Azure Percept DK help us to deployment and just start from 0 to 1, how to build up a prototyping just in probably just take a few hours to help you to evaluate your business opportunity. Okay, so as Michael mentioned, Azure Percept DK is a very good tool to deal with such as environment-centric centric cases. For example, here I list the 3 pictures. As you see, there's a retail scenario. The camera is facing to some fruits and some brand or some kind of goods. And another scenario is about defect detection. Also, in some kind of storage cases, factory storage cases, some kind you need to automatic counting how many goods I do have and is any storage shortage. Okay, so those things can be automatic done by some AI vision detection. However, even you know the some kind of object detection or some object recognition, you will know those scenario is a quite a different implementation way. That means you need to get enough data to do training. Then you have a lot of things to do, like bring edge to cloud. Also need to consider about the security. So when we have the new idea, we want to do some new experience or some business approach about the AI automation idea you have. We need to figure out a lot of steps. For example, you need to have a lot of data, then you have data set to have the labeling, and you pick up the suitable AI model, have the machine learning to train it. Then, because you are running the edge devices, so the model converting is a most steps, and we also say there is a downside for edge. It's also called the compiler process. It's a very difficult process if you have experience on that, because you will lose some processing rate. So you need to do the back and forth to adjust those things. Very tough steps. And after that, you need to put your AI model to your edge by some kind of runtime or library, and finally put in your hardware and connect to the vision voice sensor input, and start to do some object detection inference job. And almost every time you still need to retrain, because some error cases, you need to use a retrain to deal with this. So lifecycle management is also critical path. So so Azure Percept DK is a tool to help you to how to speed up this this kind of process. Then you have idea, then you can just gather the necessary information and start to do your training and labeling, even with like a less code or no code experience. So how can we make this step more faster? There are 3 key components to accelerate. Okay, the first things we need to enable our edge device to cloud capability. So bring edge to cloud is we call the OOBE, OOBE open box experience. Second one is we will have the Azure Percept Studio. This is one is a SaaS service located in the Azure. So you can use this is a single entry portal to create your first prototyping. You can just try to get some photos in your training stack, or you can have download some sample application such as the people detection or some kind of object detection. Also, you can use your advanced tool if you have some algorithm already on hand. You can try to use algorithm on the DK as well. Okay. And this part is about it's a very beautiful part. It's called the no-code AI builder. It's a Microsoft has a product. It's called the Cost Vision. It means you can focus on your data labeling, and you don't have the much know-how to deal with the detailed algorithm. You just labeling and put it on the cloud computing GPU resource, then you can get the train model here. So those 3 things compose the entire using experience of Azure Percept DK. I will give you example later. Okay, so here I would like to show you a custom event detector case. Okay, so as you see, the scenario is a elevator cage. Okay, so actually is my real case is my in my home. Okay, so this is very old. The elevator is 35 years old, and in my community we have almost 30 this kind elevators, very old. And the most important thing is over 60%, 60% resistant is getting old. Okay, as you see, you can have the hanger here, and there's no advanced sensor. If you got stuck, struggle in the elevator, you need to use this phone to call for help. Okay, so what we are thinking is use Azure Percept DK to have very quick prototyping to help those people who have this elevator can be more smarter. The first thing is about the fall down detection. Okay, it's very useful because sometimes if there's in case there's some bad thing happened, the people need to call out by themselves. But if we have the camera detect this kind of fall down event, we can send a notification or like a screenshot to the administrator, and they can have a very timely rescue. The second is about the checking state time. Okay, sometimes the old people will just got some trouble and they just stayed in the elevator for a long time. So in this case, we can check how many times the man stay here. Okay, the third one is about the wheelchair detection. Okay, so in the wheelchair, when they go in or go out, it can automatically trigger the door opening. Instead of door opening, you will make it more convenience. Okay, so in this simple case, image, if you are taking this case and want to do the evaluation, probably you will say, oh, it must be probably 1 month or 2 months to achieve the maybe simple just POC prototyping. Okay, so let me show you how Azure Percept to do this in a very short time. So first thing is about when you open box the Azure Percept DK. The first thing is you need to put these devices to connect to the Azure. The connect to Azure is very easy using the preload tool we call the UBI. As you see it, you just select the Wi-Fi, just like you configure Apple TV or like a Combox, just set up the IP address, set up the Wi-Fi, then you can connect to internet. Okay, next. And of course, you can have the one administrator account to log in for the local testing. Okay, let me jump first. Okay. Okay, so then you need to log into the Azure account to associate your own account. Okay. Then you give a name to these devices. And just press next. The following step will be complete automatically. Okay, so the most beautiful part is you can just start to preview the video output. As you see, I click here. You can see that I already set up a 1DK in the elevator, and you already can do some basic detection, like people, my laptop, and doing some people counting job. Okay, but as I mentioned, my job is want to do some more different things, like wheelchair, like the fall detection. So I need to build a model by myself. Okay. So I log into the cost vision, the tool, and you see already see some picture is automatic capture from the Percept DK. Okay, so I start to pick up some representative picture here. Okay, so like I want to have the wheelchair tag. As you see, the cost vision already can recognize the object boundary here. So I just click wheelchair and jump to the next picture. Again, and do the same, do the wheelchair tag again. Okay. Then I want to detect one people some strange behavior, like fall down cases. Okay, so similar picture here, and give here near down cases. Okay, so I just have the probably less than 100 picture of each event. Then finish tag, then I can go into the training process. So in the training, I can use the advanced training to give it a more computing power, GPU resources. Okay, basically, if you give a more GPU resources, you will get a better model performance. So here I select the quick training. And in my case, I just wait probably less than 30 minutes. Okay, so you will have some kind of position and recovery here, and they will tell you each tag how the performance is showing on each tag. Okay, so in case you want to verify this model's performance on your PC, there's a two way. First, you can use this quick test, and you can just input other pictures, not training set data, is other pictures. You can see the result. Also, you can just use the export button, and you can choose some container base or some kind of TensorFlow version. Then you can verify on your PC first. Okay, but if you would like to verify directly on the DK, there's a more simple way we offered here. So I back to the Azure Percept portal, and as you see, I see the Azure Percept Studio here, and in the devices, I already do the UBI, so I can see device here and connecting where. Then I have the deploy the cost vision project. Okay, as you see the training project already here. Okay, so I just a simple click deployment. You automatically convert the model and deployment. Then you can see the quick preview. Okay, like status right now is standard normal case, and you found some status change. Okay, you can see the difference bounding box show the status. Okay, so I use another angle to try again. Okay, this is okay. Of course, you can add more content to make this more accuracy. And this is another angle. Okay. And this is about the wheelchair object detection. As you see, the people and the wheelchair is well detected. Also, we can train the wheelchair with a setting on some people there. Okay, can detection. Okay, yeah, this is just to show the very simple cases how this product Azure Percept DK you can simply set up and bring the device to the cloud. Then you can use your local content and to training first training the AI model, then deploy to the DK to see the ready performance. Okay, so what if I want to more like I said, if I detect some event, I want to send a notification to administrator or some people. Okay, so basically the Percept module is an open source structure, so you can always change some pipeline to routing to your scenario. For example, in here I'm showing you if the DK detect people like in this room over 5 people, it will send the notification to the Microsoft Teams. Okay, so the structure is like we have the DK here and we detect people, then you will run in the AI model container. So in this case, you can train your own AI model by the cost vision, then deploy it to this container path. Then we have the can be run the one screen capture module. So in case this module judge the people detection is larger than 5 people, I will do the screen capture and through the Azure cloud to send notification here. Okay, so this part is we have the GitHub to can provide you to get more detail. Okay, I can share the link later on. Okay, so this is just testing. This is actually the preview or is testing click. As you see, you can just count the people, how many people here in the local site, and this one is actual live telemetry to showing the inference result. Okay, so when you see, let me jump. When you see there's like 5 people inside, you will automatically send the screenshot here, and you can just see the notification. Okay, yeah. So that's all is my presentation here. Hope you can get some advantage, some explanation about how this product help to speed up your business imagination. Thank you very much. If you have any question, is welcome we can discuss that. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. This product can really shorten the process of solution developing. And today we got a lot of partners from different countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam, and also our partners from China. And so we want to know, is this product available in these countries yeah, is this product available for this area?
Okay, hi, this is Michael. So far, the product is only available in Taiwan, but not in China, and we are still discussing with Microsoft team about launching this product in China. And about the APEC countries, so far this product is only available on in Japan and in Australia.
Okay.
Is there anyone has any question here?
Yeah, we're also looking. This is Jennifer from ASUS. I was originally in the speaker list, but I like Michael did that part. Regarding to the availability in Southeast Asia, we're looking for the partner distributor or SI partner to work with us. So if you're interested in this product, please let us know. Thank you.